You know, there's not much you can do to guard yourself among lies, you know, rumors, panic, fear. That's what's happening right now. This coronavirus thing, corporations are making zillions of dollars out there selling a bunch of garbage you're never going to use. All right? If this germ really was in the air or anywhere else, no mask, nothing's going to help you. I've seen it too many damn times here since I've been in America, where the media creates this fear now worldwide because somebody needs to make some money. All right? Basically, that's what it comes to. Or somebody needs to hide something. Or somebody's trying to get attention away from real stuff going on, like political stuff, okay? So basically, fear is, I think, the base for America's economy. So the media spreads fear. People buy all kinds of shit. Right now, people are just going crazy, buying all the stuff they don't really need, protecting themselves for what? You're going to get it, you're going to get it. And if you're stressed out, you're going to get it more. So stop stressing out. Stop thinking you're going to die. Forget about the news. Shut the fucker up because they lie all the time. And they, look at the political thing. They lie. All these flyers, they keep bad-mouthing each other. You don't know what the hell to vote for. The whole fucking system is messed up, man. Let's get the money out of politics. Let's get the corporations to stop buying the politicians. Stop running the government. We need people to run the government, like you and I or anybody else out there that is capable of running a country like a real business for the good of all without cheating or lying and causing fear. The government is supposed to stop fear from happening. No, they cause it because the politicians make a lot of money for the corporation. Okay, got that? Money is buying money and power, and we the people are being completely bad sheep, you know what I mean? So stop being a politicians like Republican or Democrat. Why do you support them? What do they do for you? Nothing. Half of the people are always going to be unhappy. Maybe your son and daughter, your brother-in-law, your cousins, they're going to be the other side of the party. They're going to be unhappy. So when people are unhappy, what happens? Discord. We want to be happy together. Let's party together. Not this Republican, Democrats, bullshit, I'm better than you, and this. And you don't even know why you're doing it. Think about it. It's all in the brain. Somebody made you believe. It's not true. Think about it. The brain, fix it. It could be your best friend or your worst enemy. So let's get together, people. United we stand, divided we fall. We can show the people in politics that we can run the country by uniting and let them know that we are united. So please, if you watch this, spread it around, pass it around, and then we'll go to the next step, which means figuring out a way to get to the people to stop this madness. Thank you. God bless you. God bless America.